Good morning, boys and girls. Today is May 14th, and I'm gonna show you what you need to do today. So for ELA, we're gonna listen to the non-fiction book The Moon, and it's on Bookflix on the Scholastic website. So you need to log into this using the username and password. That's learning20, and the password is Clifford. So you're going to read the story because it's not a video. You have to go one by one reading the pages. It's a very easy read. So please read it by yourself. Once you're done reading, you're going to go to your packet. You're going to open your nonfiction reading response menu, and you're going to pick one of these boxes. So we need to do this one, main idea and details. So I'm gonna do a video on this one. So you could pick something else. For example, what I learned, right? At least 3 important facts you learned from the book. So pick 3 facts you learned about the moon. Okay. Or you can say questions. After reading the story, what are 2 questions you you could research to find out more about the topic? So what are the 2 questions that you want to ask to find out more about the moon? What's your opinion on the topic you just read? Why do you feel that way? So make sure that whenever you give your opinion, you have to make sure you write because. Why do you think that this is a good book about moon? Because, and then you write your answer. Don't just give, oh, it's a nice book, or it was a good book, right? We don't usually, that's not enough. So you have to always give a reason why you think that the book was good or it was informative and you learned a lot of things from it. Vocabulary. Pick 3 or 4 vocabulary words that are important to the topic of the text. Write a sentence using each word. Support summarizing the text. So if you go back here and look at your story, you will see there are new words, and when you click on it, you can actually listen
to the path of an object as it circles another object, usually in space.
So those are some new words. You could write 3 or 4 of them, and you already have the definition. When you click on it, you see what it is. So if you want to make a sentence out of it, you are most welcome to do that. Okay, once you're done with the box, you can cross it out, right? You're done with it, so you can pick something else for another day. In math, we have our choice board again, and you're going to pick one of these activities and you're going to cross it out, okay? Also, I have a math word problem here. There are 12 dogs in the park and 8 dogs run away. How many dogs are left in the park? So this time it says run away, so it means that you need to take away. So I want you to solve this word problem, but girls and boys, make sure when you're doing your work, you're showing me your work. It's very important. I see a lot of you still drawing fishes and rabbits, so I want to tell you that math is not about drawing. So you can use, instead of drawing the fish, a tally mark or counters or longs and cubes represent the unit we are using. So in this case, we have dogs. So I don't want you to draw 12 dogs in the park. No, just draw counters or anything else to show me dogs, but you don't have to draw dogs, okay? 12 is it's a lot of dogs to draw, so please don't do that. You make it easy by drawing counters to show me your thinking. Okay, today we have health, and we are going to think of healthy fruits and vegetables for all the letters of the alphabet and complete the chart. So this is what it looks like. If you flip in your packet, you should be able to find this page, Health ABCs. And you can complete this. So A for apple, B for banana, C for carrots, right? Or cucumbers, D for I have to think. So forth and so. So think of all the healthy fruits and vegetables you could add onto this list. Okay. Starting from A to Z. So they gave you for A, they gave you an answer for A and an answer for Z. So I think this is a fun activity to do. So let's see how many of you get it all filled in, and if you can, right? I'm excited to see the answers to this. Okay, make sure, my friends, that you are going on Raskids and Dreambox and working on there for 15 minutes. And also I wanted to show you this. Yesterday I had posted 5-finger retell. Okay, so I want you to think about, I want you to watch my video, and then I want you to look at this graphic organizer. So I created this graphic organizer for you. Title of the book. So you're going to write the title of the book. You're going to write who the characters are, what the setting is, the problem in the story, the events, what happens in the beginning, middle, and end, and the solution. This is an easy organizer, so you can use this if you think you want to use this. And then I have another one here, which is very detailed, right? Your title of the book, then your character's name, setting, problem in the story, the beginning, middle, and end, and the solution. So you could use whichever one you want to use, okay? Whichever one you feel is easy for you to use. Make sure you do this. It's due tomorrow. I'm going to grade it, and I want you to try to remember all these things that we learned in school. We have to make sure we are doing it and reviewing it, my friends, so we know this really, really well. You should be an expert at 5-finger retell, okay? You can pick your book. If you have a book at home, you can pick a book from home, or if you want to find a new book, you can go to Raskids and find a book there, okay? If you want help, if you want me to help you, please make sure you can call me on this number or text me and I will call you back, okay? All right, have a fun learning day. And oh yeah, today we have for our Spirit Week, it's a Thankful Thursday. So draw or post a picture of something you are thankful for. So I'm so excited to see all the stuff that you're going to send me that you're thankful for. Okay, and I'm also going to post our friends' pictures who shared their pictures dressed up as essential workers shortly. All right, have a great day, my friends.